Hello everyone, we are from group 1 and now we are going to present our material about ANTCONC. Here our group members, there are Syifa Nadanazihah with student number 22, Ibnu Adam with student number 25, Fani Rahma Maulida with student number 28, and Fira Hanin Syahidah with student number 39. The first material is about the introduction of ANTCONC. Happy watching! ANTCONC is a corpus analysis toolkit designed by Lawrence Anthony, a professor in the Faculty of Science and Engineering at Waseda University, that includes a powerful concordancer, word and keyword frequency generators, tools for clusters and lexical bundle analysis, and a word distribution plot. ANTCONC is a freeware multi-platform application, so it's ideal for individuals, schools, or colleges with a limited budget running either Windows or Linux-based systems. Also, it is distributed as a single executable file that can be simply copied into the user's computer and launched without requiring any installation. ANTCONC was first released in 2002, and at that time it was a simple KWIC or Keywords in Context concordancer program designed for use by over 700 students in a scientific and technical writing course at the Osaka University Graduate School of Engineering. ANTCONC was developed in Windows environment using the Perl 5.8 programming language, and the graphical user interface was developed using the Perl/TK 8.0 toolkit. This enabled the program to be easily ported to a Linux or Unix environment, which was necessary as the course was initially taught in a Linux-based school or computer-assisted language learning laboratory before being moved in a Windows-based school laboratory the following year. Following the release of ANTCONC 1.0, the program was uploaded to the creator's website, from which researchers, teachers, and learners around the world could easily download and use the software free of charge for non-profit use. This generated wide interest in the program, and many users reported on successes, problems, and features they would like to see added, resulting in new improved versions of the software. Interest in the program increased further after it was chosen to be included in Morphix NLP, a CD Linux distribution containing a wide range of natural language processing or NLP tools. At the time of this video taken, the latest version of ANTCONC is 4.0.5 version, updated in February 2022, available to all software users as a free download for Windows. The next part is about ANTCONC tools.
First is concordancer tool. The central tool used in most corpus analysis software, including ANTCONC, is the concordancer. As Sun and Wang in 2003 described, concordancer have been shown to be an effective aid in the acquisition of a second or foreign language, facilitating the learning of vocabulary, collocations, grammar, and writing styles. As with all other tools in the program, the concordancer tool is designed so that the most common operations are accessible directly on the main screen. The picture shows a screenshot of ANTCONC while a user is operating the concordancer tool. It can also be seen that the tool's interface widgets, such as check buttons, lists, and window gestures, have the native look and feel of the operating system and the same functionality as standard software applications. These are summarized as follows. The first is search terms can be substrings, words, or phrases, and can be case sensitive or insensitive. They can be embedded with a wide range of wildcards, which the user can assign to any particular character or string of characters via a menu option. Next, number 2, search terms can be defined as full regular expression or regex, offering the user access to extremely powerful and complex searches. Number 3, through levels of sorting of KWIC or keyword in context, lines are possible, with user-definable highlight colors at each level. Number 4, if a user clicks on any search term in the KWIC results display, the program will automatically open the View Files tool and show the search term hit in the original data file. And number 5, the KWIC results display is divided into columns in which the hit number, KWIC line, and file name are shown separately. Number 2 is Concordance Search Term Plot Tool. The main purpose of the Concordancer tool is to show how a search term is used in a target corpus. For users who want to see where a search term appears, ANTCONC offers the Concordancer Search Term Plot tool, shown in the picture. Here, each box represents a file in which multiple lines represent the relative positions at which search term hits can be found. From this display, it is easy to see not only how often a search term appears in a corpus of data, but also where and in what distribution. And next is View Files tool. The View Files tool of ANTCONC is shown in the picture. As mentioned above, when a user clicks on a search term in the results display of the Concordancer tool, the View Files tool is used to display the search term in the original file. However, the View Files tool can be used independently to search for any substring, word, phrase, or regular expression in a target file, offering the user of a very powerful text search engine. As can be seen in the figure, all hits are displayed in a highlight color, and buttons and keyboard shortcuts can be used to jump to a specified hit anywhere in the file.
Okay, so the next tools are word list and keyword list. It is listing all of the words to highlight interesting areas in a corpus and suggesting problems. Besides, the word list or keyword list tools help to find lemmas of words in a corpus of related word forms. It is also able to sort words into alphabetical or frequency order. In addition, the word lists tell about how important a word is in a corpus. Here is the display of View Files tool. Next, on the first picture, it is word list tools, and the second picture it is keyword list tools. The next tools are word clusters and bundles tools. The word cluster tools can investigate multi-words units. As the name of the tools, it shows clusters of words and that surround the search term, and they are alphabetically ordered by frequency. The other way to find multi-word units is find the lexical bundles, or similar to n-gram. Here in the first picture is the view of word cluster tools, and the next is n-gram, the new version of ANTCONC. ANTCONC is an almost perfect software for processing corpus data. However, it still has some limitations that need to be improved. Here are some limitations of it. First, it does not use an index, so it only works effectively with a small-scale corpora. Second, most of the search terms in the table, but learners find it is difficult to interpret. Third, ANTCONC presents statistical data, and it might be difficult for some learners. And last, ANTCONC is weak in handling annotated data, for instance, data encoded in HTML or XML format.
The last part is the tutorial of using ANTCONC.
Hello, now I'm going to be showing you how to use the app of ANTCONC. So this is what the display is like once you open the ANTCONC app. And what you have to do is you have to click file and then you have to open files. So make sure that you have already downloaded the file that you want to analyze here in ANTCONC in the format of txt. So now I'm just inserting the file that I'm going to be using. And I just wanted to make sure that the file is already loaded here. So I'm going to click on the file view. All right. So this is how it is like. So if you have to click on the Corpus files right here and see if the file has already loaded. And now we're gonna go back to the concordance section and just start searching for the term in this column right here. So I'm gonna start by searching for the word before, and I'm gonna click start. And here is the concordance right here. So as you can see on the quick sort right here, you have 3 levels, which is level 1, level 2, and level 3. You can see that on the level 1, it is written on here is 1R, which means one word beside the concordance, one word beside the term that we search on the right side of the term that we search. So for level 1, it can be seen from the word that is colored red. As for level 2, it is colored green, and for level 3, we have color purple. And you can also change it into, I'm going to change it into one word on the left side of the term that we are going to search. And for the level 2, I'm going to be changing it into 2 words on the left side of the term that we're going to be searching. And for level 3, I'm going to keep it on the right side, 1 word right beside the term that we're going to be searching. So we're going to have to click start again and see it all changes. So for level 1, it's still in the same color. You can see right here we have green for the word, the second word on the left side of the term that we're searching here. And for level 2, it can be seen on the red color. And for level 3, it's on the right side, right beside the term that we're searching, and it's colored purple. And now I'm gonna give you another example. I'm gonna be searching for the word book, and I'm just going to keep the quick sort just like what it is right now, and I'm gonna hit start. See, the term that you're searching for is right here on the blue color, which is book, 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 book. And for the quick sort, for the first level, first word on the left, it can be seen on the word that is colored red, the same as before. The color did not change, but what changed is only the position, and that's how you categorize the level because the color did not change. And now I'm going to change the word as well as the quick sort. I'm gonna start searching for glass. Oh wait, I didn't change the quick sort. I'm gonna change it into two left and three left, and the third level two word on the right. I'm gonna hit start again. All right, so this is how it looks like. You can see on the blue colored word here is the term that we're searching for, which is class. And for the quick sort right here, again, it's still the same in the same color. For the first level or level 1 is colored green, and here I have already set it into the two word on the left side of the term that we're searching for. The same thing happened with the level 2 and the third level, and in the same color as well. So that is it for the tutorial. I hope it can help, and thank you.
And here our references for making this presentation. That's the end of our presentation. We are apologize if there are still many mistakes. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.